Hi everyone. I can't wait to see you all on Monday for our first day of Zoom class, English class on the computer. And if you are going to be using your phone, I will send you a link in WhatsApp, your WhatsApp, and it will look like this. So you will get the message, you will get the link, you will tap the blue button, tap the blue link, and the Zoom will open. We will be using WhatsApp for other things too. We'll use WhatsApp so you can text a picture of your homework to me. So I will be able to see the homework that you do. And we will use it to send messages. I will send you some videos. You might leave a voice message for me or for each other. To leave a voice message, you will tap on the microphone icon, this blue icon that looks like a microphone. And what you'll do is tap and with your phone, tap and hold your finger on the button while you talk to me. Okay? And then when you take your finger away, the recording stops. You will also use the camera icon to take a picture of your homework and send it to me. And I will be sending you other videos. The next video I send you will be about Zoom class, how to enter and leave Zoom class. And if you are using Zoom class, if you'll be using a regular computer and not your phone, you will get your Zoom link in an email, okay? This is for phone people. But you'll use your WhatsApp to send me pictures of your homework and to look at videos that I send. Okay, I can't wait to see you all on Monday. Bye.